Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games. Today I want to show you quite a simple little problem I found, and it's about finding the mean of four fractions. So we need to find the mean of a half, a third, a quarter, and a sixth. So how do we find the mean? Well, we have four fractions. So what we have to do is to sum them up. So a half plus a third plus a quarter plus a sixth. To find the average, we need to divide by the number of items. In our case, we have four fractions, so we divide by 4. This looks like a big fraction, but don't worry, I'll show you how we can get through this. So let's take a look at a half and a third first. So let's try and merge them together. For half, I will rewrite it as 3 divided by 6, and for a third, I'll rewrite it as 2 divided by 6. So we have a quarter and then a sixth. So now notice here, we already have 3 fractions where the denominator are the same. 3 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, and 1 divided by 6. And that all divided by 4. So when the bottom part, the denominator are the same, we can simply add up the numerators to the top part. Well, what's 3 plus 2 plus 1? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have 6 divided by 6 plus a quarter divided by 4. Well, 6 over 6 is just 1. So we have 1 plus a quarter divided by 4. And we can rewrite 1 as 4 divided by 4. And then plus a quarter divided by 4. So we now have 5 divided by 4 divided by 4. So essentially we have 5 divided by 4 times a quarter. So all we do now, we just multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So 5 times 1, that's just 5. And then 4 times 4, that's just 16. So let's go back to the question. Our answer is E. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.